Afterpay working on the GOAT is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, put your preferred item in the cart and go to checkout. Here select Afterpay as the payment method. Next, make an account or log in to an existing one. So verify your identity and eligibility, then choose 4 equal installments. Now receive a confirmation email from GOAT and Afterpay. Afterpay is a buy now, pay later service that allows you to split your purchase into multiple payments over time. It's a convenient way to make larger purchases without paying the full amount upfront. Afterpay will automatically charge your linked debit or credit card for the remaining 3 equal payments every 2 weeks. You can manage these payments and view your schedule through your Afterpay account. Please note that Afterpay's availability may vary depending on your location and the specific terms may change over time. Be sure to read the terms and conditions on the GOAT website and the Afterpay website to understand the details of your Afterpay agreement and ensure you can meet your payment obligations. This is how Afterpay does work on GOAT.